Hello guys, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center. We have a Mercedes GLE 2019. Unfortunately, the client had a very bad crash on it, and then he wants me to bring it back to normal. Of course, bumper we have to replace. We have to replace the wing, bonnet, slam panel, some of the mechanic as well, damage, grill. So it's quite big damage, I'm afraid. And of course, we have to bring it back to normal. Here the car's being stripped, and we repaired it as well. We pulled it. It's being repaired. So now we're going to fix it back. Here you go, the job has been completed. As you've seen the car on the beginning of the video, there was a very big crash involved in that car. Everything has been replaced, and the car has been pulled and repaired. We paint it, all the parts go in the right place. So this is the result. Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.